Transforming outpatient services across Morecambe Bay. Outpatient services are being transformed to give you the best experience in care delivered in a more efficient and sustainable way. We understand that appointment letters can take days to come through, and when they arrive, the appointment may not be convenient for you. We also understand that the cost of public transport, fuel and parking can add up, especially if patients are travelling a long distance for a short appointment at our hospitals. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to changes across our hospitals to ensure patient and staff safety. We have adapted our services and provide telephone and video appointments where clinically appropriate. Many patients have already benefited from this new style of non-face-to-face outpatient consultation, having had direct contact via a video or telephone consultation from the comfort of their own home. We have trialled replacing appointment letters by post with a text message direct to your mobile phone with a link to an electronic appointment letter. We have trialled electronic booking that gives you more control and choice over your appointment. This is sent as a text message with a link that allows you to choose an appointment date and time that suits you. And don't worry, we know that digital options aren't for everyone. We'll continue to work to provide the best possible outpatient service for you. If you would like to update your contact details to receive and book outpatient appointments in the future, you can do this on the Trust's website. Thank you for watching.